I want to share with you how you can make sure that you see your bookmarks right here. Last time I showed you how to create bookmarks. You do that by simply clicking on the star of a website that you're at, renaming it what you want it to be, and then for the most part, I think most of you probably just want to put it in your bookmarks bar folder. And then when you click done, it shows up here on your bookmarks bar or down here if yours has too many bookmarks like mine does. But to make sure that your bar can be seen, you need to click on these three dots right here, go to Bookmarks, and select Show Bookmarks Bar. So watch, when I click it, my bookmarks disappear. But if I go to the three dots, go to Bookmarks, and click Show Bookmarks Bar, they show up again. So I am recommending that you put Schoology in one of your, make sure you have that in your bookmark bar. Plus tab. I would also make sure that you have Clever. And then we will continuously add more bookmarks. But another one that you would want to have would be TrueClicks. And another one that might be a good idea to have would be Linmar, in case we need to use that anytime. But do you see how easy that is for me to go to all those places? I hit the plus button and then I click on whichever bookmark I want to get to, and I go there right away. So please make sure that you have your bookmarks bar visible.